Drums keep time like a patient heart, holding At the junction the lanes spread wide. Livonia River pulled me to the southern side, leaving East Zagreb behind, following curves of road design. Steel and water meet below, crossing the Savu steady and slow. The river slides under wheels and sound, south of the city, new ground. Traffic thins as the space grows wide, fields breathe out on the other side. Engines settle, the rhythm returns, every mile quietly burns. Wind hums low through the open air, daylight's off, still hanging there. The blues rolls easy, unforced and true, carried by emotion, carry it through. Now no need to race, just a road unfolding into space. I ride the lane calm and free, letting the distance come to me. Slide guitar glides like the river below, drums keep time in a gentle flow. Southbound wheels steady and sure, the road goes on.